Multiple reports claim that Oppo will announce the Reno 9 series by November end in China. A recent leak revealed the key specifications of the Reno 9 Pro Plus, but the details of the Reno 9 and Reno 9 Pro have remained under wraps. Today, popular tipster digital chat station shared the key specification of the upcoming three phones that belong to the Reno 9 family. While he has not mentioned the names of the device, it appears that the leaked device may debut as the Reno 9, Reno 9 Pro, and Reno 9 Pro Plus in the Chinese market. The latest leak suggests that the Reno 9 will feature the Snapdragon 778G chipset, 4500 mAh battery, and 67W fast charging. For photography, it will have a 64-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual-camera setup. Reno 9 Pro will feature the Dimensity 8100 Max chip, a 4500 mAh battery with 67W charging. Its rear-facing dual-camera setup will have a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary camera and an 8-megapixel lens, probably ultra-wide. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 will power the Reno 9 Pro Plus. It will pack a 4700 mAh battery with 80W charging. Its triple-camera setup will have an OIS-enabled 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary camera, an 8-megapixel lens, and a 2-megapixel snapper. The Reno 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro Plus have a 6.7-inch OLED display with curved edges and a 2.3mm bottom bezel. The screen offers FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit colors, 2160Hz PWM dimming, and an under-display fingerprint scanner. All three phones have a 32-megapixel front camera. The rear cameras of both Pro models are blessed with the Silicon X ISP. The Reno 9 and Reno 9 Pro will be equipped with a rotor motor for vibration, whereas the Pro Plus will have an X-axis linear motor. Both devices are said to have a thickness of around 7.19 mm and weigh around 174 grams. The Reno 9 Pro Plus will measure 7.99 mm and weigh around 192 grams.